Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own BB cream at home in an affordable range. So yeah, without wasting any more further time, let's check out the video. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified about all my latest video updates. To prepare this BB cream, we need any compact powder. But today I'm using this Pins BB talc. I love using in most of my DIYs. So in a bowl I'm going to add just a small amount of this powder. And next add Fair and Lovely cream. Now mix it well. And finally add some aloe vera gel. Again mix it well to get the right consistency. Now our homemade BB cream is ready. Now let us see how it works. Just take some amount of this BB cream and dot it all over your face, and with the help of your fingers blend it properly into your skin. It gives even coverage and gives instant glow to your skin. You can compare both of my hands and see the coverage. So this is how we make our homemade BB cream. So please do try this and share your experience with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, take care. Bye bye.